Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is I'm going to be discussing an SB Dunk Low that just restocked right here. This is the classic green SB Dunk Low, and we're going to be diving into this sneaker right here, discussing where it restocked, if it will be coming to the US. Unfortunately, I might have to bring some bad news in this video, so you might know what that means. But for some folks, it's actually good news, specifically for my folks in Europe. But aside from that, and Asia. But again, that's, we'll get into that a little bit later. Mainly, we're going to be diving into, what these sneakers look like, since this is the first time these have dropped since I believe the year is 2021. I want to confirm that right now. Last time that these released was 2021. Yeah. So now we got these restocking in some areas, and I'm going to be diving into the sneakers. So if you guys want more content like this, feel free to just subscribe and like down below. Lets me know that y'all want more videos like this. 200 likes is the goal in this video, and again, just lets me know you guys want more unboxing content. Just with recent sneaker releases. And also, you guys can check out my Instagram down below. Pinned reel right there in my profile. Enter for the military blue giveaway. Don't miss out on your chance to win a pair for free. I don't care. If you've already gotten a pair, anything like that, doesn't matter. You can still enter. I'm not restricting it. And yeah, that's really all I need to say. You can check out my story there. I'm always buying, selling, and trading too. So that is it. That was a lot I just mentioned there in the intro, but why don't we dive into the sneakers? So first things first, this is really what the sneaker looks like up close. Really nice. I actually like these a lot more than the Court Purples, but I want to give you all a quick comparison. Let me grab those. So you may notice recently we had the Court Purple SB Dunk Low, and it kind of has this nice little fabric material on the inside, and same with the classic greens. It also has that same kind of fabric material on the inside of the tongue tag. Let me show y'all this, because I want to put it up side by side. So there you go. You can see it has that same fabric material on the classic greens. Aside from that, you guys can see these are pretty much identical in their design. They are the exact same. It's just two different colors. So keep in mind, for the classic greens, it's basically the exact same style as the Court Purple SBs, so think of it like that. I do notice that the leather quality is pretty decent on these. I actually like how they did these, so it's a little bit better, but it's pretty much the exact same leather. So just keep in mind. However, prices for these are going to be higher than they are for these, because right now these are floating at like 100, 110 bucks. These haven't even dropped in the US. They're holding pretty solid right now, so I just think there's more demand for the classic greens, but just keep in mind, very, very similar to the Court Purples. So that's what I'll mention. But I'm definitely grabbing a personal in the classic greens. Those are nice. I actually really like that pair. Overall, just a green colorway. I don't have a lot of green SBs. I have one, the green apples, but this is just kind of a more subtle colorway. Nice, everyday, personal. Seems like a comfortable pair. Because the Court Purples, I find those to be pretty comfy once you've broken them in. And I can imagine, since these are built the exact same, so it's probably gonna go the same way, right? So that's what I can show about these. And there is the color blocking. Again, we got the green going around the heel, also with that black colorway right there, just showing the Nike logo. That is the same on both of them. Nike logo all black right there, just embroidered on the sneaker. And then again, we got kind of that white midsole section. Then around the toe box, we got some black leather. That is on both the sneakers, and it's not different on either one, right? Exact same on both the sneakers. So just keep that in mind, right, with these. But overall, just a really nice, really chill colorway. That's the main way I can mention. It's a calm, nice sneaker. And yeah, there are the soles for them also. Really rocking with that. Overall, just a nice kind of brighter green colorway. I think that's cool, and kind of fits. I wish they would have done and sort of restocking these maybe in March, because that would have gone I think pretty good with St. Patrick's Day. But that isn't celebrated everywhere, and they ended up dropping them only in the EU and Asia. That's bad news. Unfortunately, I have to bring about this restock. I do not know if it is going to be coming to the US. We don't have any information about it hitting the US yet. It did restock in the EU and Asia, so those are the two locations pretty much where the sellers are at, but there just isn't any at the moment for these in the US. Not many people with them. So that's one of the main things I can mention about these. It's just, yeah, the prices are a little bit lower on StockX. So if you wanted to go out the way and get a personal pair, now would be the time to buy them. But I would definitely recommend looking for sellers overseas and in different locations, maybe in the EU, something like that. Maybe some apps, overseas apps. I definitely think that would be beneficial, with a sneaker like this. And also, don't forget, they also come with white laces. I think that'd also be a cool colorway to sub these out with. Definitely one that it would fit. So that's something else I can mention about these. And there is the insoles on them as well. Just kind of that Nike SB Zoom Air logo. It's just green and black, pretty much the same colorway that we got on the outside of the sneakers. So That's what I can mention. Also just got the purple box with these. Nothing out of the ordinary. It's not a collaboration or anything. Keep in mind these have dropped before. So they're just going with the same details. They're not changing it up. And yeah, there is the size tag on these also. Excuse me. Let me focus that a little bit better. But y'all can see we just got a size 10. It's a Dunk Low Pro. Same as the core purples. So yeah, that's what I can mention about the classic greens and their details up close. Overall, a really nice personal. I think the colorway is like, this is a good one for summer. So that's one of the main things I can mention about these. But aside from that, why don't we get into the resale prices on these right now, since I know a lot of y'all are probably curious about picking these up for the personal collection, wondering what you'd have to pay for them, or maybe you're looking to buy some pairs to hold over time. I wouldn't recommend doing that at the moment, because keep in mind there's just pairs that are constantly dropping. So I think for the next couple months you'll be able to wait on these. But I think maybe around back to school we could see these run up, but I think it depends on what sizes you have. So here are the current prices on the classic green SB Dunk Low. As you can see, kind of in a range of about $150 to $170. So some of the bigger sizes are going for a little bit more, while some of these smaller sizes are also pretty up there. Some of the really small ones. So really just that kind of 170 to or not 170, that like $130 to $200 range. Really just depends on what size you have. It's a little bit all over the place, but pretty similar in all the big sizes. Like you got 10 at 170, 10 and a half at 179, 11 at 180, 11 and a half 218, 12 190. So no surprises there. 13 260. So you know what I mean. The big sizes are still going for some crazy bread at the moment. I'm definitely gonna be looking maybe for some big sizes of these, just throw away for in the vault for a couple years. But I think they will eventually restock these in the U.S. because again, a lot of pairs they restock in the EU and drop in the EU, they end up bringing to the U.S. if they do it there first. So that's just one of the main things I want to mention. I think these will eventually hit the U.S. for a restock, because I mean it's like with the Chicago SP Dunk Lows only restocking in Asia. Like, why would they not bring that colorway to the U.S.? Doesn't make sense to me. Like they're missing out on a big opportunity there. So I know Nike is definitely planning to do that. It's just like, when will they do it? Don't know. So I'm waiting to buy my pair of Chicago's still. Prices are really good right now, so I might just buy one right now and then wait, see if they do it drop in the US, and I'll try and hit it for retail then, maybe if they hit skate shops, etc. But that's what I can mention about the classic green SB Dunk Low. Currently reselling for prices around about, to just narrow it down, $150 to $200. I'll put a plus on the 200 because some are a little bit higher. For example, 11 and a half and 13. But just a really nice summer colorway, man. That's the main thing I can say. If you just need a subtle pair of SB Dunk Lows that are pretty comfortable and overall will last you a little bit of time, like they're not going to really change, then yeah, I think these are a good one. It's just a nice, simple colorway. And if you're maybe a Celtics fan, you know what I mean, then these are perfect. So that's what I can say about the classic. And if anybody needs one, hit me up my Instagram, 8 through 12. Let me know. Unfortunately, yeah, no 13s, but 8 through 12. Let me know. I got some pairs, so if you are interested in getting yours, just let me know. It'll take a little bit for them to ship, only like a week, but you will get them after that. So that's what I can say, and you can check my story for any references so I'm legit. But really, just a clean colorway. I'm rocking with it. So let me know how y'all are feeling about these in the comments. If you want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below, man. I'm always trying to help you guys out and bring just kind of the best reviews on pairs that are dropping right now, letting information on restocks, early pairs, whatever it is. I will have some more early pair content coming soon. But I've been trying to focus on like the military blues right now. Like you notice, I'm doing a lot of how-to cops because there's a lot of heat releases. It's one of the best periods for releases this year, so I really am just trying to narrow down all the content for that at the moment. But yeah, check out my IG down below. You can enter for the military blue giveaway. It's on my pinned reel right there, or you can hit me up if you need a pair of classic greens 8 through 12. Let me know, and you can check out my store. I'm always buying, selling, trading. Got a bunch of items for sale there. Just let me know, hit me up, and yeah, I hope to see you guys there. I'm announcing the military blue giveaway winner very, very soon, so don't miss out on that. But that is it, guys, and yeah, I'm rocking with these. I'm definitely getting a personal. So I'm Tristan. Thank you, guys. Hopefully I will catch you all in the next video, and definitely stay tuned here, guys. I got some really cool stuff coming with a little like undermarket sneaker kind of like group thing coming soon. Not cook group type thing, but you guys will like it. Stay tuned to get like good deals and stuff like this. Even if they don't drop in the US, I'll start bringing you pairs because I got the sources to help people out and get the deals. So that's it. I'll catch you all in the next one. See you soon tomorrow. Peace.